So the range on the tags that I have here, so this, it looks like a label. You got to peel it back, and you can take these with you if you want. But there's an RFID chip embedded inside the label. So we slap this on a bag, on a box, on a crate. We'll slap it on a tear-off tag, put it on a 50-gallon drum. They just tear it off, scan it over the station, throw it away. The range on these tags is 15 feet to 25 feet. For our application, we dial it into like, we just want a couple inches is all we really need. For this daily application, for the inventory application, that 15 feet comes in handy. So we can walk around with the gun and take inventory in this whole room, 6,000 tags in 30 minutes, reconcile the database, boom, inventory's accurate, and everybody's happy. We don't track individual parts because I can't roll 15 cents. That's what that label plus the RFID tag plus the printing. So that like in cost is like 15 cents to the market. My volumes go up, I'll get down under 10 cents on a 4x6 label. The RFID tag portion adds 5 cents to the 4x6 paper label with adhesive and printing. But that 15 cents, I can't roll that over a 3-cent O-ring. That's why we track package quantities. It's also impractical to like scan out 3,000 O-rings one at a time or individually packaged stuff. So we track package quantities.